Don't cheat in a relationship. If you are not happy, then just leave. I'm proud of my heart. It's been played, burned, and broken, but somehow still works. If you succeed in cheating someone, don't think that person is a fool. Realize that the person trusted you more than you deserved. I am a good enough person to forgive you, but not stupid enough to trust you again. Never argue with someone who believes their own lies. Cheating is a choice, not a mistake. If you cheat on someone, you don't love them. Trust is like a paper. Once it's scrambled, it can't be perfect. Once you have really hurt someone, it will always be in the back of their mind, even if they still have a smile on their face. One lie is enough to question all truths. Never push a loyal person to the point where they no longer care. If you are willing to cheat someone truly in love with you, you are cheating yourself out of loyalty. The wrong relationships teach you how to recognize the right one when it arrives. In a relationship, trust is more important than love. It will enhance your love. When someone betrays you, it's a reflection of their character, not yours. I tried to keep us together. You were busy keeping secrets. If you really love that person, you wouldn't even think about cheating on them. If another woman steals your man, there's no better revenge than letting her keep him. Real men can't be stolen. I'm not a second option. You either choose me or lose me. When love is real, it doesn't lie, cheat, pretend, or keep secrets. Be committed to the concept of character and don't cheat. You have to recognize that there cannot be relationships unless there is commitment, unless there is loyalty, unless there is love, patience, persistence. A great relationship doesn't happen because of the love you had in the beginning, but how well you continue building love until the end.